Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are outside right now because it snowed yesterday. So Benny's gonna go play in the snow for the first time. Alex is inside. He's getting his snowboard because I told him I wanted to go down our driveway on his snowboard. I'm scared to walk down the steps while filming because I'm probably gonna fall right on my head. So, do you like the snow? Go! Get it! Go get the snow! Get it! Dirty girl, get dirty with the snow. Wah! 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 You wanna get down? Ugh. You like it? Huh? What? Oh, you got your boots on? Oh, what the heck?
Do this. The hooks. That's how you tie them.
Oh, that's funny. You look cute.
Alright, let's show Mr. Benny how now.
I'm gonna go sledding?
Yeah. See him not.
Hopefully that works.
This? I don't think so.
Yeah.
But I think we'll just sit him on this.
So one of us can sit on it. Sit on it with him. Wanna hold Mama's hand?
Yeah, this ain't gonna work.
Okay.
Ain't gonna move on it.
Do you like the snow? Oops, can you say snow? Look, there's Delta. Oh, she wants to come out.
Alright. No, you're good right there. Sit right there. Just like that.
Come here, Ben.
Benny's first snow. Go careful, Charlie, alright? Because it's gonna be fast. Whoa, Mr. Ben.
You need some actual snow boots, huh? Wait, stay here. Daddy's coming down.
It's been a long time.
Just watch out for him. You didn't get very far.
It's been a long time.
You scared?
No. I forgot how I feel.
At least you're already working inside.
I forgot how to do it. Can't do it now. I can't go. How to do it.
You look like you've never been snowboarding before.
It's been a long time.
I think he loves the snow.
Yeah.
He just needs like actual snow clothes and boots. Kinda.
It's hard. You made fun of me, let's see it. You're not buckled in, so just bail out if you don't feel comfortable. You did better than I did. Yo, good job. Good job, Charlie. Alright, now I gotta try it again.
That was fun.
It's fun,
Like,
right?
you start going fast, but it was fun.
Yeah.
You're so cute in the snow.
Like if I was on a mountain, I'd be okay, because I wouldn't be afraid to fall. But here, I'm like, oh, shit, I can't get hurt here.
It's why you turning into the bush?
This is how I learn.
Well, you're supposed to go straight down.
That's how I learned though. I had to like figure it out
Just
that
slowly.
way. I had to like pizza it. And once I got good, I'd go. It takes me a while.
It didn't take me a while.
I know, but me, that's what I'm saying.
Just kidding.
You look like you had fun. Let's go over here. Let's see Mama come down. Wait, Bubba, wait. Watch Mommy. Watch Mommy.
Baby, look at Mama.
Look at Mama. Here comes Mom.
Here I come.
Careful, baby. You can't hold on to nothing. Keep going.
I was scared that time.
Because you couldn't control. Do it again.
I'm gonna go down with Ben.
Standing up?
No.
Oh. I'll push. You want me to push you this time?
Yeah.
Here, give me that. I'll take that up top.
You wanna go sledding? Daddy. Wanna go down the hill?
Come here, Daddy.
You wanna go down the hill? Mama, stay with you when you go down the hill, okay? Let my mama get on.
You cold, bud? Like a little snowman. You ready?
We should go in after this because he's wet.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I got you. Just lean with your hips. There you go. Oh, you're going so fast. How was that one?
That was fun. I think he was giggling. I want a video from like his reaction.
All right. He's ready. You see him?
Yeah.
Use your feet to bring you down. Yeah, he was smiling the whole time.
Can you carry it?
You getting tired?
I'm sweating, yeah. Dude, playing in the snow is a workout. Let me tell you. I can't breathe. Carry this dude with like extra pounds on because he's so bundled up.
I forgot how scary snowboarding is. I haven't done it in 5 years.
5?
Yeah. It's fun. You did better than me on your first time. Is that your first time snowboarding?
I've been snowboarding like down Longcrest Hill, which isn't
With a snowboard though?
not a real snowboard.
Yeah. Come on, Dutchie. Come on, climb it. Climb the fence. Come on. Come on. You can't do it, silly little girl. Go get Mama. Daddy girl. Hi, Daddy. Daddy. Huh? Yeah, Daddy. Ready? Let me get down there. Good. Delta, sit. Delta. Careful, Charlie. Sit. Sit. Don't move. Sit. Daddy. Psh. Oh, psh. Come here, Daddy. Bah.
It's time to go in.
Bah.
What is his face?
I'm a snow boy. You. No, let me get Mr. Ben.
They fell.
I get you.
Oh, he got Delta.
Right, I'm gonna get you, Mr. Ben. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Ah!
Charlie, I'm gonna get you.
No.
Alright, come on, let's go.
It's open. Benny started crying when we got off that time.
Why?
Because I guess he wanted to stay on.
Come on, Dutchie.
We got pretty far that time, huh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, it has been a bit since we've been outside. Obviously we're back inside. I took a shower, so my hair's wild, but I just made dinner. I just have to put it in the oven for it to bake. It's kind of like a baked ziti. I use shell noodles, sauce, and meat, and mozzarella and cheddar cheese, just what we had here. It's one of those meals where you just use what you have at home and call it a day. This is what it looks like. I just have to wait for the oven to preheat, and then I'm gonna pop it in the oven for probably like 15 minutes. I'm not sure how long. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it and wait for it to bubble. Benny and Alex are in the living room watching a movie while I cook dinner. So I'm gonna go hang out with them while this bakes, and then we're gonna eat. We finished our dinner. Alex is playing video games, and I'm gonna edit this video so you guys can watch it. That's gonna be it for today's video. We hope you enjoy watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.